Hi guys, this video is a family hiking over the weekend. One of the hobby we developed over the pandemic. The total distance is 2.4 miles. It should be done just over an hour, but we have spent nearly 3 hours, I think. Over the hills, across the bridge, there are beautiful streams, ponds, even a little waterfall. This is Leith Hill in Surrey Hills. There is a car park at the Fried Street which is free. Happy hikings, everyone! 你去哪里啊？
Which way do we go?
我也不知道。
Piggle, Vivian, you're Annabella Rickman. No. Yeah, Pablo's not a character, is he?
Let me say what? Stick that.
He's not a character, you just mentioned that. Come back then.
It might show who you are. Let me show you. It might show who you are. What's that? Yeah. Gonna tell me because she doesn't hold an umbrella. Actually, I get gonna tell me holding an umbrella. Okay? Mr. Rabbit. Mr. Rabbit's not in there.
Yeah.
No, he's dead.
Yeah, but he's still in there.
No, you don't see a picture.
He has been eaten, but he's still in there.
No, just a cat. There is one where he is. What are those things? Scarecrows.
稻草人。
No, you said that you got it wrong.
你好，小猪。
Can I touch it?
No.
No, the girl's gonna go down.
No. Say someone come and walk in, then I can touch it. Why? I can't touch them. How do you know?
But you don't touch it, what you got there?
It's poo.
They don't eat poos, Daddy. But they dig in the soil. Can you see? I like to use their nose to dig the soil.
There's a button on one.
Like they know how to find the expensive
What's the
mushrooms.
buttons on that?
Don't know.
So they can keep track of where they are.
How do you do that?
You're gonna give them names. 有没有小名？你有没有给他名字？
Percy.
叫什么？
They're just sticking it over there, you be careful with that.
Percy.
何奇
No, it's good moving.
Darcy
Darcy, don't Mr. Darcy.
Good moving.
Mr. Darcy Hello Mr. Darcy
No, his cat is Percy.
Oh he's eating the thing. Oh Percy
Look
pig.
at the stream, Mummy, look.
Hmm.
Look at the stream.
Yeah,
Mummy.
nice.
That one's Percy.
The Percy pig.
No, that one.
That was Percy pig. 你好 Percy 你
That
好
one's
Darcy
Percy. That one is